name is Starkland are you doing? Yes. What are you doing?
Firestar, I was doing my ballet thingies on the ice and then
We were only celebrating Christmas with a snowball fight. Oh. Carry on then.